What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a free mower video. I just picked up this mower. A lady on Nextdoor hit me up and just told me that it was on a curb and she wanted to get rid of it. She said it didn't run. She didn't know any other info about it, but she put it out on Tuesday and it actually rained and I wasn't able to get it till yesterday, which was Thursday. So this mower has been out in the rain at least once, maybe twice. So I'm gonna have to tear everything apart, see what I can do. Obviously it was running before it got rained, or it wasn't running before it got rained on anyway, so I don't even know if I'll be able to get this thing running, but first glance it's in really good shape, and I'll flip around the camera in a second to show you guys. But I wanna see if I can get this thing running. Alright y'all, so this is the mower, and I'm gonna do my best to hold the camera steady. So I'm just using my iPhone, but it's in pretty good shape. This is the Toro 7.25 horse self-propelled mower. And from what I can see, there's no major issues. And I didn't notice any leaks or anything like that. So gas, I believe there's still gas in the tank. Yeah. Looks pretty dirty. I'm looking at it now. I didn't get a close look at it earlier. I might have to drain that. We'll take a look at the air filter next. Not too bad. It's really firm. I wonder if that's because the water was in it. I've never worked with one of these air filters. I've only ever worked with the Briggs and Stratton ones. I put right there. So I'm not really sure, but this is really, really stiff. I'm wondering if it's because water got on it, but right now it's pretty dry, so that's interesting. Here's the carb. Turn on my flash. I'll show you the carburetor. Underside.
Are you fixing it for her or what?
No, she just gave it for free.
Nice.
I could sell it for like
It looks
I could
clean,
sell it
too.
for like, I know, it was.
Looks like not that used.
Yeah. The oil is really high. Let me try it again.
Brother.
It's loaded.
Brother, is this mine?
I guess I'm just gonna check for spark. Okay, I don't even have a socket long enough to fit on this plug, so I'm not even gonna try. Just gonna put it back on. And we'll find out sooner or later. Okay, so we're gonna give her a go with the starting fluid. There's the garage. I think this thing will start, honestly. The spark, the plugs didn't look that dirty. And this stuff's pretty reliable, so we'll see how we do here. Let's do it. Let's give it a rip. See if I can get the camera set up somewhere. Okay, so the oil cap wasn't tightened, and there's a ton of smoke coming out. I think it's because the oil's overfilled. I didn't even think to drain it, even though it was overfilled, but I'm gonna have to. I'll try one time. Also, it was a really oddly slow start. Definitely running rich. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Oil splatter coming out. Okay, gotta drain some of that oil. I know they advertise here, just check and add. So whoever did this last, or owned this mower last, was just overfilling it with oil, without a doubt. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do one more start now that it's warm. See if she'll just fire up. Yeah, I'll start quicker. Boy, that thing is.
Second or third to last one, and I saw him, I passed him like 3 times around, and he was just fucking laying there with his belly out. They're fucking tough.
Let's check the level now. This is all of our nice, yummy oil.
Cock.
Alright, all finished with this mower. She starts right on up now. I did drain the oil. I think I got a video of that for you guys. And I cleaned it up a little bit. So, I didn't do any of that. I'm not gonna actually, do a full clean on it, but I just wanted to get the deck cleared off and a little bit cleaner because it had some oil stains on it. But otherwise, that is a good mower set to go. I'm gonna resell this, see how much I can get off of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.